Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the WH-1000XM5 in hand. Charge it for at least 30 minutes if the battery is low. Once done, open the ear cups and locate the small power/Bluetooth button on the left ear cup near the hinge. Press and hold briefly to wake the unit. The LED will blink. Make sure to remove protective film and have your phone's Bluetooth screen ready. You're starting now. Do not tap pairing yet. This readies both devices and avoids delays during the pairing step. You'll now force the headphones into pairing mode so your device can find them. Press and hold the power/Bluetooth button for about 7 seconds until the LED alternates blue and amber. That visual confirms pairing mode. Then switch to your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings, and scan for WH-1000XM5. Select it from the list. You may be asked to confirm or enter 0000. Once paired, the LED will flash blue and you'll hear a voice prompt. This verifies the connection and readiness for audio. You're almost done. Play a short track and confirm stereo sound and active noise cancellation. If levels or channels are off, make sure the source device volume is up and that the app settings aren't limiting output. Once satisfied, install the Sony Headphones Connect app to manage firmware and personalize controls. If pairing fails, reset the headphones by holding power and noise cancel, NC buttons together for 10 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. If problems persist, charge fully and retry. This clears transient faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.